Hello guys, welcome to Career Consult channel. In this video, I am going to explain about the TCS Code Vita Season 9 registration and its rules. And if you didn't watch the part 1, it is a continuation of the part 1. Just click the I button in the right corner, top corner, and just watch that video. So let us dive into the video. Code Vita contest is consist of 4 stages. First one is the participant registration, and second one is pre-qualifier zonal round, and third one is qualifier round, and the fourth one is grand finale. So there are some restriction and eligibility. So I would like to say that the rules and regulations before we register for TCS Code Vita. So the eligibility is that the coders from the institution across India are only eligible, and that also their academic course should be end in 2021, 22, 23 or 24. Means if you are in first year, or if you are in second year, if you are in third year, then you can apply for this TCS Code Vita Season 9, and you are eligible for the contest. And registrations are invited from the students in undergraduate, postgraduate programs related to engineering and science background only. So please make note of that, and with any specialization and register guidelines. And this will be, I will say how to register in the TCS Code Vita in next. So next, the second stage is the pre-qualifier zonal round. So this round will be a 24-hour contest, and each participant is provided with 6 hours. So you are provided with 6 hours to solve the questions. So you will be provided with the question, and you have to solve that within 6 hours, within 24 hours, and you can take 6 hours to solve that questions. And it is done in India, and for the rest of the world it is conducted separately. And you can see the dates here. For zone 1, 10th July 3 p.m. and 11th July 3 p.m. until 11th July it is there. And this is for recruitment branches part of zone 1, Chennai, Bangalore, Kolkata and Kochi. And for Mumbai, Hyderabad, Delhi, Pune, Ahmedabad, for all that will be the zone 2, that is from 24th July to 25th July 3 p.m. So this is about the pre-qualifier zonal round. So the next one is the qualifier round. After pre-qualifier zonal round, you will be selected for the qualifier round. So this round will happen after the completion of pre-qualifier rounds for both India and the rest of the world students on the same day during a 24 hours window. And top performer from the zonal round across the globe will move into this round, as I said. And if you selected, then only you can move to this round. And each participant is provided with 6 hours to solve the questions, same as the pre-qualifier rounds. And the dates and details will be updated, because due to the COVID-19, they are not providing the correct date. Means this is the date for the qualifier round, because the things may be changed. So they will provide the updated date, and I will provide that date in my YouTube channel when they updated the date. And the next, after selecting from the qualifier round, you will be entered to the grand finale, and the top 25 perform from the global qualifier round would have the opportunity to move to this grand finale only for the top 25 performers. And this round will be held in the offices of the India, means TCS office in India. And top 3 contestants will be declared as the winner of the contest. So the winners will receive a total cash of $20,000. So it is in dollar. And they will also provide the internship and offer to the top coders from the contest. So this is the TCS Code Vita. They are performing this Code Vita for recruiting also. They recruit the top coders for internship, or for they also provide the job offer for them. So here the tentative date is given that it is for February 2021. There will be the grand finale. So these are the rules and eligibility of the TCS Code Vita. And if you are eligible for the TCS Code Vita, season 9. Then let us go to the registration. So please follow the same step as I have shown in this video, because it will be difficult if you miss the step. So the first step is you have to create an account in TCS Next Step. So I will provide the link in the description. So information technology, I am selecting for information technology. So now you have to fill your details. So you can see at the TCS Next Step website. So if you are registered already, then it's okay. If you are not registered, then please register and just select the information technology. This is the stream which we are going. So please fill the details here. So let me fill the details. Now fill the application, fill your details carefully, and enter your email ID. This email ID will be used for the all communication with the TCS. Fill the details accurately, because it will be difficult for you to change the detail later on. So fill your name, date of birth, gender, and email and number, and institution name. Here, if your institution name is not in the list, then please type your institution name and also your qualification and also year of passing. Just note that year of passing should be 2021, 22, 23, 24, as I have said in my in the same video in the beginning, that for the eligible students will be only those who are having the year of passing of 2021, 22, 23, and for them only the TCS Code Vita season 9 is contest is for, so they are only eligible. So just select the nearest location. So I'm just selecting the nearest location here, and the password and re-enter password. You can see the TCS password policy. So your password must include these. So you can do that, and then security question, and then just submit the and just confirm it. So you can see the reference ID here. Please make note of this reference ID. It will be used for further login. You can use that for further login. So just click on continue and just type your password. So now I have successfully logged in and created my account in Next Step, TCS Next Step. So this is the first step for registering in TCS Code Vita season 9. So the second step will be registering for the TCS Code Vita. So just register and click on register and type the email and the password which you have just created for enrolling to the next step, TCS Next Step. So I am just entering the details. After login, you will be directed to the campus commune web page. So in this web page, just select the country as India and then just log in with the same email and password which have been used for creating the TCS Next Step account. So then just click on the login, agree to the terms and conditions here. So now you can see the dashboard of the campus commune, and you can see the ongoing contest. So also you can see the contest here which is present here. Just click on the contests. So you can see here all the contests here. This Code Vita season 9 contest, and some of the contest has been closed now, but this Code Vita 9 is ongoing stage, so you can register to this contest. So just going to Code Vita 9 season 9. So you will be having a register button here. So just click on the register, and you have to accept the terms and conditions. So I'm just registering here. So you have to verify your mobile number. So just provide your mobile number. So you have successfully registered for Code Vita Season 9 contest. You can see the details of the Code Vita Season 9 contest, and all details will be there here, and you will be having the login password which is really secret to you, so you should not show that to anyone. So that password will be here, so just don't tell the password or don't give the password to others. So it will be also in the registration guidelines. So you can see here, each registered participant will be receiving a unique secret code or link, and it should not be shared with your teammates also, and it should not be shared between the contestants. So there will be general guidance, and the main question is, what is TCS Code Vita contest is about? Means they will provide the problem, and you have to give solution in the following languages. These are the languages which are eligible. Means if you are knowing the C or C++, C hash, Java, Perl, PHP, Python, Ruby, you can provide the solution in these languages. So you can select any one which you are strong in. So just provide the solution in that language only. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, then please subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends and family, and like this video. And I will be uploading another video on the TCS Code Vita preparation. So please stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thank you, guys.